Welcome to Mont Saint-Michel. This is so legit. We don't know. What is it?
Here at just such a beautiful, unique place. It reminds me a little bit, the closest comparison I have is Ez Castle, which is in the south of France between Monaco and Nice. Just like the way it just keeps going up and up and up, and it's circling kind of around itself, and it's like narrow alleyways. Jeremy said it reminds him just of like Hogwarts at Universal Studios, which it really does. Like it pretty much looks the same, except, you know, the restaurants serve crepes.
This is incredible. This whole thing started in the 700s. It's crazy. It took 1,300 years to build it, and it started because one of the bishops had a dream that the Archangel Michael came to him and said, build this island. And he ordered him to do it. He didn't do it. And then he had the dream a second time. He's like, I better do
The acoustics in these rooms are fascinating. You get one person talking in the corner, and literally every person can hear them. And if 3 people are talking, it sounds like a full fight. It's really fascinating.
Maybe the monks were supposed to have a vow of silence, so they wanted to make sure if you broke it, they could hear you.
I think, could be wrong about this, and I might get some people, some haters stepping on some toes. I think it's to hear all the secrets. Get a little choir boy and went out on the weekend. He wasn't supposed to do what he did, and then confession booth turns into community time, and community time turns into global acceptance. What'd you say?
Victor Hugo, the writer or author or playwright, the author of Les Miserables, was held here along with other political prisoners who were held here for their political opinions and beliefs. And that lift that we saw on the exterior was actually the lift to bring food up to the prisoners. And so they would have to stand in there and move it up in order to get their food for the day. Very interesting history. There weren't a lot of monks left here at that point in the 1700s, but they said that there were some clerical, people from the church who they disagreed with the opinions, so they actually kept them as prisoners here.
Here we are at the top. We are visiting the Abbey this morning. The original Sandlot reference comes from here. If you build it, they will come. And that's what the Archangel told the bishop, or the pastor, or the reverend, or the priest.
According to this report, the Archangel burned a hole in his head as a reminder.
Even the priest Albert is Albert. What's the pronunciation, dude? I don't know. We're making it up.
oven.
Wood oven. This is the product of 140 years of omelet making. Look at it. This is so fluffy. This thing is so fluffy. I don't know how they get the foam on the inside. But look, this looks like a lot, but it's not. It's like cotton candy. Seriously, amazing.
This is a carrot cinnamon puree, and you can actually get it with an omelet. There's one of the omelets that has this with it. It is delicious. It is like autumny dreams, you know what I mean? It's like that flavor of autumn that we would have in the United States. I guess it's a cinnamon that comes through with the carrot, and it's kind of like pumpkin. I don't know. It's really nice though. Moral of this story is that I do forgive Mont, saint-michel for being remote. It's been lovely to come out here even though they don't have almond milk lattes. It's okay.